Good morning, everyone. Valued customers, esteemed partners, and especially our global shapers from the World Economic Forum. We're so happy to share these last couple of days, I think yesterday and today, with you. At Automation Anywhere, we are deeply committed to creating lasting impact. We envision a future where technology empowers nonprofits to uplift and transform lives worldwide. In an era where groundbreaking technologies like robotic process automation or artificial intelligence are reshaping industries, we consider it truly our duty to infuse a human touch into the future of work. And you heard Erica say that. This drives us to be more diverse and inclusive. Many of you here today are captains of your own organizations, charting the course towards better products, services, more efficient operations, while optimizing the resources at your disposal. It's no secret that technology is at the forefront of this transformative journey. We believe that with these technological advances comes an opportunity to advance humanity. We do so with a human-first approach, a deep sense of responsibility towards leaving the world better than we found it. Last year at Imagine New York, I asked you to envision a world where automation serves as a force for good in times of crises. I urged you to imagine a world where a youth, no matter his socioeconomic status or the region he is from, could dream of and change the world. I'm immensely proud to report that we continue to make significant strides in turning that vision into reality. From disaster relief to affecting climate change, healthcare to women empowerment, our commitment remains steadfast. Let me start with our work around maximizing nonprofit impact and productivity. When nonprofits embrace automation, we witness the profound impact it can have on human lives, often resulting in faster response times, or lower operational costs, or both. As the world races towards intelligent automation and Gen AI, the nonprofits we collaborate with are harnessing these technologies to uplift society as a whole. For instance, we have a partnership with the Center for Humanitarian Technology for Ukrainian aid relief. This led to the establishment of 12 new centers, over 100,000 additional aid requests being processed, and more than 32,000 individuals receiving critical support. These are tangible results of the transformational power of technology in the nonprofit sector. The United Nations has identified 17 critical areas of focus as a society, called the Sustainable Development Goals. Our work towards the UN SDGs help plant seeds of change. Our love for the environment is a common thread for all of us. We love our planet, and we are dedicated in preserving it. Whether it's through initiatives, through volunteering to set up clean water supplies, or reforestation efforts. We invite you to explore our sustainable gifts this year. We've planted a tree for each attendee of Imagine, and we have reusable water bottles as a testament to our shared commitment for a greener future. Let's talk about the topic of the hour, AI ethics, the drive towards responsible and ethical AI. Reliability, security, and the protection of humanity are paramount concerns for all of us. To create artificial intelligence and bots that genuinely augment the human workforce. At Automation Anywhere, we see this as an opportunity to reduce bias in AI. AI models trained on diverse and extensive data sets tend to be less biased. By doing this right, we have the potential to leapfrog some of our own unconscious biases, both as people and as a society, and drive true equality. That brings me to digital inclusion and workforce development. If we want to train these AI with the diverse skill sets or diverse data sets that they require, digital inclusion across all segments of society is crucial. This involves donating technology hardware, software, and training to really make technology accessible to all. It's a foundational step to ensure that everyone can contribute and reap the benefits of the innovations that we are driving through the fourth industrial revolution. Our commitment to the reskilling revolution. The World Economic Forum is leading the charge, collaborating with over 350 different organizations worldwide, with an aim to provide 1 billion people with improved education, skills, and economic opportunities by 2030. We're immensely proud to be part of this transformative initiative. We believe in its potential to enhance accessibility and inclusivity in the future of work. I'm also thrilled to announce our membership into the Good Work Alliance, where we will collaborate with even more organizations to make this vision a reality. Our focus on upskilling marginalized communities remains strong. These communities, whether they are economically disadvantaged, displaced refugees, women in regions where tech jobs are normally male-dominated, inspire us daily with their resilience and determination to acquire these future of work skills, despite their own daunting circumstances. Every one of these stories is an inspiration, and I hope you find their stories as motivating as I do. Join us in driving this change and shaping a better future for all of us. I leave you with some inspirational human stories from our reskilling efforts at Automation Anywhere.
I think the challenge is, in fact, for companies to recognize that when it comes to thinking about the skills and the people that they hire, thinking different actually has a tremendous positive payoff. And we're happy to say more and more companies, more and more employers are aware that there's value in diversity. There's value in going outside the conventions when it comes to hiring the talent that they need to drive the success of their companies.
In my town, the only options are fast food, farming, or being a truck driver. When people show us came to town, they change the entire town.
I was always interested in electronics and different forms of technology, but never thought that anything would be in the state of Mississippi.
Here in Brazil, we have a lot of challenge. The streets not safe, a lot of poverty. What I saw here in Brazil in this social project, that talent is here, talent is everywhere, but not opportunity. The mission here at Sapphire in Automation Anywhere is to provide that talent the opportunity to achieve that dream, to be wherever they want to be. Doesn't matter like which place they come from, which color they have, the social, the gender. We're gonna provide the opportunity to them to achieve, to conquer that dream.
Technology only matters if it helps people achieve a better future. And that's why we train people with RPA, which is easy to learn and easy to add value to society.
The quality of life aspect is real and allowing people to make a real livable wage, and they're able to provide for their families. And now that they're able to do that, it gives you confidence and it makes you bold and to think broader and say that I can rise to that new level.